Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this helpful tips videos, we'll learn how to quickly add borders by using shortcut keys in MS Word. In this MS Word, suppose if you want to add borders, we'll go to this design and we'll click on this page borders wherein we'll get the borders to be added. Suppose if you think that quickly we need to add borders, we can use the shortcut keys and it's very simple as well. So we'll see how we can insert a different borders by using the shortcut keys. First, let's see how we can insert a dotted border. We just have to press 3 stars and then press enter. We get the dotted border. Suppose if you want to get a black line, just press 3 hyphens and then press enter. We'll get a black line. Suppose if you want to get a bold black line, we can press 3 underscore and then press enter. We get a bold black line. If you want to get a double line border, we just have to press equal sign 3 times. Press enter. We get double line border. Suppose if you want to get a wavy border like this, we can type 3 times tilde sign like this and press enter. We get this wavy border. Let's scroll down. Suppose if you want to get a thick solid black border with a thin line above and below it, a kind of border like this, we can press 3 hash and press enter. We get this kind of borders. It's such easy actually. So you just have to press the characters mentioned here to get the desired borders. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.